wish all the kids of class 2 a very good morning. Today I will explain you a new chapter of your EVS book, that is chapter 8, Our Food Habits. Please go to page number 37. In the previous chapter we have learned about the different types of food that we eat. In this chapter, we will learn about our food habits. People have three main meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When people feel hungry in between these three meals, they have light snacks such as a glass of milk, a sandwich, or dry fruits. These in between snacks are called light meals. Now let us read in details breakfast. What is breakfast? This is the first meal of the day. We should have a heavy breakfast so we have sufficient energy throughout the day. Since we have not eaten anything throughout the night, we might become low on energy. Some known breakfast items include cornflakes, toast, parathas, pohas, and or idlis. Now let us learn about lunch. Lunch is the second meal of the day. 2 to 3 hours prior to lunch, some might have a light snacks like fruits. Lunch usually includes dal, sabzi, roti, or rice. Some people may choose to have a sandwich. People may also include a bowl of curd or a glass of buttermilk along with salads to refresh themselves. We must not take heavy lunch as we may feel drowsy during the day. Now go to the next page, page 38. Here we will learn about dinner. Now what is dinner? Dinner is the last meal of the day. Almost the same items consumed during lunch are consumed during dinner. It is also supposed to be a light meal as eating heavy meals in the night may weaken our digestive system. By eating heavy meals, we might even get stomach aches. Some people like to eat something sweet after dinner. This is known as dessert. The sweet dish that we eat after dinner or even after lunch, sometimes we eat sweet dishes. This sweet dish after the meal is called dessert. Okay? Now, the different food habits. People are different from one another. In the same way, their eating habits are also different. Some people may prefer to eat vegetarian food, while others may prefer to eat non-vegetarian food. Non-vegetarian food means like chicken, fish, egg, etc. People's food habits are based on their family beliefs. Some people may choose to be vegetarian as their family follows vegetarian diet. Now most of the Marwari families and many of the Gujaratis do not eat fish, chicken, anything that is non-vegetarian because they are purely vegetarian. They eat only vegetables and paneers, which does not include any animal meat or animal protein. One must respect other people's eating habit. If we invite guests for dinner, we must know their food habit. We should not serve non-vegetarian food to people who do not eat such type of food. Food should be served to guests according to their food habits. We should also not criticize people who have different food habits than us. Changes in the food habit. Page 39. People eat food to get energy and remain healthy. When a person is healthy, he or she can consume regular food. People's diet and the type of food they consume may vary from family to family. May vary means may differs. It differs from one family to another. Every family members or every neighborhood do not eat the same type of food. For example, a vegetarian person may eat paratha for breakfast, while a person consuming non vegetarian food may choose to eat egg. Some people also consume food according to the season. For example, a person may like to have hot soups during winter. In summers, they might want to consume ice creams and salads. Now we will read about the food habits according to different age group. Although everyone needs to eat healthy, they also need to eat according to their age. For example, a newborn baby only requires mother's milk. Newborn babies are not fed solid food because firstly they cannot digest the food made for grown-ups, and secondly they do not have teeth to chew the food like adults. So they are dependent only on liquid food, especially mother's milk. Now go to the next page, page number 40. In the same way, an old person needs to eat plain food. They cannot digest heavy, oily food and therefore should eat food that can be easily digested. Old people can eat oily or heavy food occasionally if their health permits. A person who is ill, who is sick, needs to eat light food as they become weak during illness and cannot digest regular food. Sometimes the doctor asks the patient to avoid certain foods in order to keep their digestive system better, in order to keep themselves or their health better. So now we will learn about the food habits according to families. Every person is different from one another. Similarly, there are different families. Each family develops its own eating habits. Many times, eating habits are based on the customs and traditions followed by the particular family. A South Indian family might like to eat hot idlis for breakfast, while a North Indian family might prefer to eat parathas in the morning. Different food habits may include the following. What are the different food habits that might include in the following? We will read about that. Preference for spicy food or bland food. Bland food means food which do not contain too much of spices and oils and salt. It is called bland food. Vegetarian or non-vegetarian food, that we already know. Vegetarian means which include only and plants and vegetables. Non-vegetarian means it includes animal protein. Avoiding certain foods on certain days, for instance, not eating eggs on Tuesdays. Many of us avoid eating non vegetarian foods as well as onions and garlics on some chosen and selective days like Tuesdays, mostly Tuesdays. Some people do not eat on Thursdays, some on Fridays. So it depends and it varies from person to person. So, this was your chapter. I hope you have understood it. And all of you must read the chapter at least 3 times in order to understand it better. Thank you.